Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. So if you guys are wondering how to solve this issue, that your page isn't necessarily available right now on the Facebook applications. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this by step. So what we actually need to do first is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we have stable internet connection right here. Also, go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, the last thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of Facebook on our device. So launching the App Store and searching for the Facebook application should give you an idea if you have the latest version of the application. So if you do see an update available, go ahead and update right now. Now, one more thing that we would also do is to be aware that if in the case that we cannot see a specific page on the Facebook publication isn't available right now, this could mean that that page has been taken down, deleted by its owner, or basically, we cannot access this jutsu, specific reasons given by its owner or its Facebook application. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.